So, what is happening? Welcome back to Part 91, the Indian Founder Stories podcast with Ashish Satpathy, where we bring you exciting stories of various entrepreneurs all across India. The how, the why, the when, and the where they started from the founders themselves. In today's episode, we have Miss Swati here, who is the founder of Navi Sutra. Today's episode is sponsored by EasyCart. Start selling online today with your e-commerce store and a free Android app. Offer valid for a limited amount of time, so hurry up.
So good afternoon, Miss Swati. It's an absolute pleasure having you. So let's just, before we start actually talking about the page, the product, I want to ask you, how are you, ma'am? I mean, the situation getting worse. How are you doing?
Yes.
Is everything okay? How are you?
Yes, everything is okay, thankfully, but the surrounding is not that safe. So yes, mentally we all are facing issues. Even
We're a little bit shaken, aren't we?
worried
We
for the
all are.
family, for employees.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're all just a shake. Like, it's this thing that nobody actually saw it coming. We thought it's all done and dusted last year, but it's hit us again. The same exact time, the same pattern. But the scary part is, it's more closer to us. It's like people we know are getting affected.
Yes, and even
Exactly.
like we cannot concentrate on anything else. Even we are not thinking about business anymore for now, and there's like constantly it's all about like the corona scenario. We want to know like how to keep people safe. So yes, things are not that great mentally, emotionally.
Yeah, that's the thing. But we have to go on. So let's just continue. Starting off, please do tell us a little bit about Navi Sutra oil.
So Navi Sutra is Ayurvedic belly button oil. We are pioneer in this niche, and at the time we started, there was no such oil available in the market. Yes, this is the old ancient therapy that we are dealing with, and in Ayurveda, it's based on Navi Chikitsa. So शास्त्रों में ये सारी चीजें लिखी हुई हैं based on that particular healing therapy. We created this category-wise this healing course and therapy, which can heal people from within using this navel, which is the connection of 72,000 plus veins in our body.
Actually, Navi basically stands for navel, right? So, I think it's very fascinating, because when we talk about a thing like that, when we are born as, when we are babies in our mother's womb, that's the only connection we have,
Yes.
That's the only connection we have with a living source who's providing us food, who's providing us shelter. And it's really fascinating, because that is something that we have to do closure, because how are we getting everything one particular, navel opening? How are
Yes,
we?
that one dot can actually nourish the entire body, and it
Huh.
creates the entire body, and that's a very, very important point in our body. But people do not understand that because not everybody is aware about it. So we try to spread the awareness on this particular concept, and like yoga also suggests navel is a very effective point. So we can control many things. We can balance the body using our navel. So we are actually trying to create that awareness with this particular concept.
Now, when we are looking at treating somebody, healing somebody, that's what you said, what exactly are we healing from? Like, what are the potential cures that we can find by using these navel oils?
So basically, we are trying to get healed with the hair issues like dandruff, hair fall, skin care, pigmentation issues, joint pain relief, menstrual pain relief, digestion related issues, then immunity building, then brain development for kids. We are also coming up with 2 more oils. It's eye care, and one is sleep inducing oil or stress buster oil. So these are the categories we are trying to deal with, and it is showing very good results from past 1.5 years with multiple issues. So let's see what is going in future also.
So 1.5 year, like you said. So Navi Sutra oils have been established for more than a year. It's more like
Yes.
1.5
Yes.
years to be
I
exact.
have launched in September 2019.
2019. Okay. And I believe, ma'am, it was a offline, commodity. I mean, or a platform, and then you got it to online platform. Is it, or
No, I
was it
have
just?
actually launched it. I launched it via e-commerce only, and we are
Okay.
presently available more on e-commerce platforms. Like my own website is nabisutra.com, then Amazon and Flipkart.
Okay, okay. So people order more from your website than Amazon or
Yes.
Flipkart. Okay.
Yes,
All
because
right.
I'm trying to promote this particular concept by social media platforms more, and I'm like doing more of the advertising on there. So that's why I'm getting more traffic on my personal website, my own website.
Okay, lovely. And okay, let's just go a little bit back, back in time. How did this whole idea come into place? Were you always keen about making something like this from the very beginning, or actually it did occur to you somehow, some situation came to your head, and we could do this?
So basically, when I became a mother, it's like my daughter is about 4 years old now, and when I took a little bit gap after my pregnancy period, and that time, like I belong to IT industry typically, so I was
Oh.
more towards online marketing and branding, online branding, and those kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So I built brands for others, like from past 14 years and more. And then after having a baby, I was like trying to study more towards the natural products, Ayurvedic angle and side for me and my daughter, because I was also going through many hormonal issues, hair fall, and many other issues. So that's why I was trying to study more about it to get a very safe kind of products for my daughter and for even me. So that's how this particular concept I read on many websites, and I dig more into the particular topic. And my cousin is MD Ayurvedic doctor and practicing for more than 10 years now.
Mm-hmm.
So I met him and I discussed this particular thing, and I thought like there is no such option available. Like there are options like you put this off and you will get such kind of benefits and all, but people are not exactly getting the right kind of ingredients, nor they are getting the right kind of formulation. So not even only one oil can get you the kind of healing you are looking for. For example, if it's about joint pain, then there can be 2 or 3 multiple reasons for your joint pain. So when we create a formulation where we can deal with the vayu, which is the main point, main issue. Because of vayu in the body, you are feeling joint pain issues in the body, and at times it can be internal swelling. So we created a formulation based on by considering those reasons, and then what kind of ingredients can help us to get rid of those reasons. And then our doctor also helped us, and we created a formulation which can help more people. And instead of single oil or any any basic remedies, we created a formulation which is much more effective with the very high quality of oils. Like if you say put coconut oil and it will make you heal, put this castor oil, but you will not get the right kind of castor oil in the market. You will not get the right kind of coconut oil in the market that easily. So what we do is we are concentrating more on the quality part as well, and what kind of oils you need to put also. So accordingly, we created this formulation and we started with the manufacturing part, and then we could see the results were great.
Okay, now when we are looking at manufacturing part, it's all handled by you, or do you have any help? Like,
we have third-party manufacturing tie-up because of this. Like even all the kind of certifications are required when you are actually creating the FDA-based product. If it's a remedy kind of thing, then it is not good. Like a home-based कुछ करके देते और ऐसा हमने नहीं किया. So we created we did a tie-up with Ayurvedic manufacturing units, and where we are arranging for this manufacturing.
So all the R&D work goes goes in the whole Ayurvedic clinic.
Yes, like doctors are involved, healers, practitioners, and researchers. Even we also जितना भी research we have done, we have also spread it supported to few research-based medical there was one MICR or as a clinical accreditation, like they ask us what kind of research we have done. We have tried to submit our research there as well, so that kind of stuff. Yes.
Lovely. That sounds amazing, And the best part is this whole concept about oils. Actually, it was one of our, in ancient times when medicines were not that much developed, people used to rely on oils, which was very, naturally available, and certain oils could have like certain effect, and it still is truly admirable, the fact that oils can treat so many diseases.
Yes, it can. Like we can take it more like a precautionary thing and more like the remedies. So we always say when it comes to joint pain, so many arthritis patients they actually try our products, and we always say just do not take it like medication. It cannot just we are not saying you should stop with the medications and try this. So you can just try this like along with your other medications, because it is more like this home remedies kind of stuff, but it gives amazing results. Like when we also got a review where there was an arthritis patient. He was taking 45 painkillers in a month.
And 45 painkillers in a month.
Yes, that was his requirement to deal with his pain. And then after he started with the joint pain relief oil from Nadi Sutra, he actually switched to 5 painkillers a month, and he was very happy with the results.
Yeah, I mean, like, it is very, very important. This whole oil concept just, it just fascinates me. Because there are so many hidden things that we are not, yet to discover, and which were actually discovered way long back in our ancestral history. It is all there, oils can have certain effect with you, certain, things that they can cure that normal medicines have not got the capacity to.
Yes, these are part of alternative medicines, which is now a big even category. Like people are trying that. Like it's more like yoga, hai, acupressure, acupuncture, or aromatherapy. There are multiple things which, if you feel like if you try, so there are results. But it's just you need to try with all positivity, and you can probably actually get rid of many issues.
Okay. Now talking about, oil. Obviously, they must be limited to certain age, or anybody, infants to old age people can take this oil treatment.
We kept age-based things for a few reasons. Like for example, there's brain development for kids, so where it's like about 5 years plus. Kids can use it based on the kind of essential oils we have added to the formulation, because when it comes to essential oils, it's a little they are potent in nature, so it's not every cannot take it. So when it comes to any oil formulation for kids, we haven't added any kind of oil. It's more of a cold press oil which is safe on skin. And when it comes to like oils for adults, like hair care, skin care, and there's certain amount of essential oils that are part of the formulation. So based on that, we have created the category that 5 years to up to like 80 years they can use it.
5 years to 8 years, that's the age gap. So these people can actually use the oil that are available in the market from your side.
Yes.
Okay, lovely. And when we talk about, customers, how many customers are we talking about? Let's say on a monthly basis, on a daily basis, or how many units have been like sent out? What's the number like?
So far, we could reach about 50,000 plus customers, and so with time it is going up. But वापस again ये कोरोना वाला phase
I know.
So yes, so but it's like on an average we are serving about 5,000 plus people a month.
That's very, very impressive, ma'am, and that's amazing. Well, going, I would say. Okay, now let's just talk about a little bit about how how you prescribe. Now let's say I come to you with a problem, how to go about it, how to buy the product that's suitable for me, because I might not be knowing that much about this whole oil therapy. So is there a way you can guide us on Instagram? Please do it. Tell us a little bit about that.
Basically, our website is having all the required information on individual pages of the product, like how to apply the oil and what kind of benefits it can get, what is the ingredients, and the list of ingredients, many other things. And even we have the customer care number also over there, so one can also call us and we can make them understand the entire process, and we make them understand what kind of oil can be suitable for them. So we have a very beautiful customer care team, and they are actually very supportive. So I'm also getting very good emails for those kind of services. Like they are
Lovely.
That's talk for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I see them actually working like that.
But that's amazing, ma'am. I mean, customer feedback is something that we all should take deep interest, because you don't take care of your good customers, they won't be reverting back to you, because they will. It's always about a trust, and it's always about a good image and a good feeling that you get when you buy a product from a particular place. The feeling of safe, feeling of familiarity, that's something that goes a long way. All right, ending up this lovely little interview, please do tell us and this future entrepreneurs who are listening to this podcast right now, please do tell a little bit about what drives you, any inspirational things that you want to share, or what exactly should be their mindset like. Please do tell us a little bit about that.
So basically, being woman entrepreneur, I can share a message for women especially. I would like to say please be committed to whatever you are looking for. If you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to be a dancer, or any particular goal you have in your mind, even after getting married, or after being a mother, always try to find that few hours for yourself and for your own work. If you'll not respect your work, nobody else will. So always try and give your best, even if you're getting only 2 hours a day, if you're getting only 3 hours a day, but keep working towards it and never give up.
Lovely, ma'am. That was very, very inspirational. Thank you so much for coming up on air and sharing your thoughts. We got to learn a lot about oils in general, and we will definitely do check it out. Guys, please do check Nabi Sutra Oils. Thank you so much, Ms. Swati. It was a pleasure talking to you. I hope we could do this again, and huge success to you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me. Bye.
Bye-bye.
That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for listening to our podcast. We will see you in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned, be home, and be safe.